Hi there, parents and students. I'm going to show you real quick how to adjust your notifications and settings for your Google Classroom in case you want more or you want less. So if you come to up here in this left-hand corner, I call it the hot dogs. Some people call it the hamburger, but it's those three lines in the top left corner. Click there and then go to the settings gear at the very bottom. This will bring you to your Google Classroom settings. So the first thing you have here is notification settings. So to receive email notifications, I know my students, they're not 13 yet, so they don't get email notification, like they can't access their email. So that doesn't really matter. So we'll turn that off for this student. But if you wanted to turn that on, then you've got even more options there. You can turn on or off comments that are made on your students' posts, comments that mention you, private comments on work. I would absolutely suggest you keep that one on because that one is like comments, private comments your teacher will make on the work. A lot of my kids communicate that way with me. Classes that you're enrolled in, work and other posts from teachers, I would suggest that one stays on. Returned work and grades from your teachers, I would suggest that one stays on. Invitations to join classes as a student, you're probably going to want to keep that one on right now just because teachers are getting these things set up so that way you get a notification when you've gotten an invite, but you could turn that one off later. Due date reminders, that one I would keep on as well. Now I want you to pay attention down here. This is usually it's collapsed. It's not expanded. So it kind of hides. But this one is for managing your email and your app for the classes that you're enrolled in. So for instance, if this demo class was from last year, then I might want to turn that one off because it doesn't really matter. So this is just to make sure that you're getting your notifications for all of your classes, or if you have a class from a previous year or something like that, then you can turn it off this way. So that's it. Remember to go up here to your hot dogs or hamburger and click on settings, and then you can manage those notifications right there. Good luck. If you have any kind of questions or need help with anything else in particular, please let me know.